the top of a needle thing. You gotta be careful when your dogs do this, because there could be needles underneath all that. So what our politicians have done is created a dangerous environment for our kids. And this type of moss, the needles get grown underneath there. I don't know, this would here's all the cigarettes. Usually I find needles where there's cigarettes going on all the time. So to respect people's privacy, I'm not going to show people's faces at all. So more shopping carts. And more broken glass. Thanks, Mayor Jenny Durkin. Don Waters, Seattle City Council. Not okay. Not okay. And this just means it's usually a needle close by. You can't even see it. There. I don't see any dirty needles. I haven't seen one yet. But that doesn't mean they're not here. Oh, no junk. Here clothes. You have to be so careful when your dogs do that. This is why I want this to turn into a dog park. So it'll all be stuff cleaned up. So I can't go through there anymore.